Does your Roidmi F8 handheld vacuum cleaner suddenly stop working? But you don't know what to do? Don't worry. Check out one of our customer experiences that we figured out. Our customer has come to us with an unresponsive Roidmi F8 handheld wireless vacuum cleaner. We tried turning on the vacuum while the charger cable was connected, but it wouldn't work. So we tried again without the charger cable connected, but it still didn't work. We investigated all sides of the vacuum cleaner and found that the PCB and battery are faulty. We recommend a refurbished set for PCB and battery. When customer approval is received, we begin vacuum cleaner repair. To make sure it works, we unit test the vacuum before returning it to customers. The moment of truth. Now it works like new again. Why choose us for your robot vacuum repair? Expert diagnosis and solutions. Transparent communication with our customers. Swift and efficient repair processes. Thorough unit testing for guaranteed performance. Are you having the same problem? Contact us today.